This video is going to show you how to do a factory reset on the Next Gen 2.0 box. It's real simple and easy to do. What you're going to want to do is you want to go all the way over here next to the time, and you want to click on the Rubik's Cube looking squares here. And when you click on it, this is where all the application files are. You're going to want to scroll down to where it says Factory Reset. Click and launch the application. So this will erase all of your dating settings and restart the factory settings. If you click yes, it's going to go ahead and it's going to do a factory reset. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause the video, and when the box comes back up, I'm going to show you what you need to do next. Okay, so we're back now. So what you probably saw was when you hit the factory reset, you probably saw a little green guy pop up on your screen. So it was erasing the hard drive, and then it went through about a 10-minute setup process. And then your box went back to the original state that it was in, where you set up your internet, you click next, and you got back to this here. So I just want to show you a quick little technique to fix this menus up here. See where it says Home Desktop? You click on Favorites, there's nothing there. Then there's Settings and Help, and then you click on Media, there's nothing there. So this is a quick, easy thing to do. What you do is go over here to the Rubik's Cube, go down and click on Copy Data. Click Copy Data again. What this does is this just kind of reorganizes the desktops, put all the icons back. This is also a technique is if you ever delete your icons and you don't know what happened to it, you just go there, just click on Copy Data. But as you see now, the menu is cleaned up. Home, Desktop, Settings and Help, How-To videos, and everything else. So before you launch the Istv application, we did a factory reset for a couple of reasons. One, we wanted to go ahead and wipe the box clean and start fresh and new. But this is really important. What you're going to want to do now is you're going to want to click on Settings and Help, and you're going to want to scroll down to the bottom of the page, and you're going to want to click Download Istv Installer. What this is going to do is this is going to go out to the internet, and it's going to download the latest application file. So depending on when you purchase the box, you may be at an older version, and you want to do this before launching the Istv application. So you're going to get this message. Click ES Downloader and click Always. The reason why you want to use ES Downloader because if you click on Browser, it starts to download the file, but you don't know where it goes. What I like about ES Downloader, when you click Always on that, it's going to give you this menu here that's going to show it downloading the file. And I really like that. So now, once it's done downloading, you want to click Open File. And you want to click Install. But before I do that, you see where it says the current version is 16.7, the new version is 17.6. Very important to get updated to the latest version. So whenever you do a factory reset, you want to do that. You want to go ahead and click on All, click Install. And what it's going to do now is it's going to go ahead, it's going to take that downloaded application file, it's going to overwrite the existing application file, and this way it's fresh and clean with the latest updates. Now the application file, it's important because it has certain aspects of it that allow you to get some benefits of the new upgrades. So once this is done, you can click Done or Open, it doesn't matter at this point. I'm just going to click Done, and I'm going to go back to the desktop here. And I'm going to go back to the home page, and now when I go ahead and I click on the Istv application, you're going to see that it's going to go through its first setup. So it's going to go out, it's going to download the latest build file from our servers. So whenever you do a factory reset, if you bought the box 2 years ago, very simple, do this. Do the first step where you upgrade the admin installer file, and then you're going to pop up here, and this is a wizard. Just go ahead and click yes, I agree, and now it's going to go out and it's going to download the latest application file, and this will take probably, depending on your internet speed, a couple minutes to download, and then once it downloads, it's going to go ahead and install. Once it installs, it's going to reboot the application, and you're going to see the Istv app. Once you see the Istv application, I would just let it sit there for about 3 to 5 minutes, let it go through and do all of its final updates, and you should be good to go. Hope you enjoyed the video.